Hey guys, welcome to Takei's Guru tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to delete Snapchat story, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Snapchat story, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to delete your story. And on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your Snapchat profile picture icon or your story over there, whichever it may be. At the top left corner of your screen, tap on that small profile picture icon, and over here guys, you'll be on the profile section of your interface. Scroll down until you can see the My Story button over here. Tap on over there, and on this interface you can see the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three dotted icon, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to find the delete option available for us, or you can just tap and hold it and this interface will appear again, and just tap on delete and again delete, and then your story will be deleted from Snapchat. And there guys, this is how you delete your Snapchat story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.